Friend, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So friend, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I need your support. So today we are going to discuss about it how we can create the playlist. Why we use playlist is for if you are suppose making related from the earning, so you can edit your all videos in your detail, and it can give you many like, subscribe and views, because if every video will be in your list, so anybody can give you views. Okay, so already I have created here English language tutorials. So what you have to do, you have to click first on playlist, then like this it will come, then new. You can add anything as I add before. Playlist, create play basic. Okay, so you can create this. After creating, you can edit it the name as well. 150 later you can edit it. Then do you want to public or unlist or private, it's upon you. And copyright playlist system, delete playlist and add video. What we have to do, we have to add the video, we do not have to delete the playlist. Okay, so we are going to do this. If you want to suppose basic, I'm going to do from YouTube search, so I can do like this. If any video, any friend video, any channel, so you can do this by the URL, you can do by this. And your YouTube videos, so if you want to do your videos in playlist, so you can do also this. What you have to do, I wrote like that basic, so these are my basic videos, so I have to select these videos, and these video will add to in playlist. Okay, it's going to begin in the playlist, so easily that about the lecture anybody can see this. I can show you the proof as well. Here these are the in playlist, these are related to the basic learning, so you can easily watch this. So friend, do not forget to like and subscribe my How to Learn channel. Thank you for watching.